If you just bought a new home, congratulations. Here are 5 things you don't know that you need to know when owning a home. 1, most cities, when you sign up for water, sewer, and trash, you have to put a deposit down. After a year, you can call that provider and get that refunded to your account. Number 2, did you know that keeping up a maintenance routine is vital to reduce future repair costs? Check out my blog, What You Need to Know About Home Maintenance Upkeep, to find out what you need to add to the calendar. 3, your home warranty can be purchased at the same discounted price if you did not have any claims that totaled more than the cost of the warranty. Number 4, in Arizona, always have a termite warranty. They last for 3 to 5 years and are fairly inexpensive because every house in Arizona either has termites or will have termites. And 5, lastly, the first year that you buy a house, always get your settlement statement and provide it to your accountant for any potential tax benefits. If you found any of these tips helpful, let me know in a comment below, and don't forget to send it to a friend who could use these 5 things about buying a home.